After 3 years, it's a great pleasure that YIZUMI participates again in the world's leading business event for the plastic and rubber industry, K 2022 Düsseldorf. K-Show is well known worldwide not only because of its scale, but also it can create many new business opportunities and bring vitality to the whole industry. Although the global economy meanwhile is not that promising, and the whole industry faces some challenges, yet forward-looking subjects like sustainability, circular economy, and digitalization still provide us with new opportunities. We believe that the K-Show will be a good platform to demonstrate our improvements in the past few years in technologies, products, services, advanced solutions, and brand building. If you want to know more about the new development of YIZUMI, please don't hesitate to visit us in K 2022.